Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can wrap an image in your texts or documents on LibreOffice Writer. So let us dive into this. So guys, let me navigate to this example document here. And in the first step, you will need to insert your image. I've already done that with that example logo here. So if you don't know how to do this, navigate to a page here inside your document, click into Insert and choose Image. And after that, locate the file on your device in JPEG or PNG file format to insert it. Now, I have added it here. So there are several text or image wrapping options you can apply to your image so that it reacts, for example, to the text you add to your page and moves accordingly, for example, or if you like to position it, fix it here on the page, or to the page. So this is how you can do it, guys. There are two ways how you can access these image wrapping options. Option number one, you right click into the image, hover your mouse over wrap, and choose one of these options. For example, before the text, after, staying in the background, through the text, optimal, parallel, and so on and so forth. The other option would be to navigate to the properties. And to do that, right click into the image, select properties, and navigate to the image wrapping options or settings here. And here you may turn off the wrapping entirely, or choose a parallel image wrapping, before, after, basically choose any of these. Confirm by clicking into OK, or click into reset to return to default settings. And that's how it works, guys. Now you can enter your text and see which image wrapping option you have applied. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.